Hasn't lost this race in 7 years, Sara. The world record holder at 55.4 from the Rio Olympics.
Sjoestroem leading, Dahlia, McKeon, and they start to bring it home now, just over 25 to swim. Dahlia is still there in the dark cap, and now the challenge comes from Macneil. Macneil in the white cap, the Canadian, she's gone up, she's in front of Sjoestroem. This could be a boil over. Macneil, Sjoestroem, it's going to be Maggie Macneil, the kid, the teenager, wins gold.
What an upset. She dethrones the queen. Maggie Macneil from Canada, 55.83. She did it all on that second 50 metres. Gold for Canada.